In Ifá, every question has an answer, every doubt can be cleared, and every destiny can be guided through the sacred tools called Igbo. Igbo are the messengers of Ifá, used to seek divine confirmation from Orunmìla, the divinity of wisdom. In less than 20 seconds, these small sacred objects can reveal life-changing messages, sometimes even the difference between life and death. When an Ifá priest or priestess casts divination, Igbo are used to ask yes or no questions, to confirm sacrifices, reveal hidden truths, or guide important life decisions. For example, if someone plans to travel but feels uncertain, the Babalawo may ask Ifá through Igbo, should this person go or should they stay? That brief inquiry, performed with reverence and precision, allows Orunmila to speak clearly. Now, let's explore the 10 sacred Igbo and their meanings, each one a key to divine communication. Number 1. Cowries. Cowries once served as money in the ancient world. In Ifá, they represent wealth, well-being, confirmation, and even marriage, because taking a wife involves financial commitment. Number 2. Apa, the African mahogany seed, symbol of strength and victory, used to overcome adversity and to determine when sacrifices to the ancestors should be performed. Number 3. Isese seeds, the black, shiny ackee apple seeds. They represent Orunmila himself, the wisdom and truth of divination, and are used to ask if Ifá must be propitiated. Number 4. Abalumo seeds from the African star apple. They symbolize sweetness, continuity, and fruitfulness, used to determine blessings of children or wives, and when to feed one's Ebe or Orun, heavenly companions. Number 5. Shayu seeds, the same used in the Ayu game. They represent joy and children, reminding us that life should be played with happiness, not haste. Number 6. Broken plates. These speak of loss, disappointment, and hopelessness, but also truth and cleansing. A broken plate may be used to confirm innocence or to feed the divinities in one's Ori. Number 7. Bones. Bones are reminders of the ancestors, representing death, completion, or the end of a matter. Number 8. Teeth. They symbolize separation, divorce, or conflict, teaching that even harmony must be maintained through wisdom. Number 9. Orta, stones. Stones are strength and stability, used to ask about health, longevity, or whether one has ignored divine advice. And finally, number 10. Seashells. They are partners of the sea, symbols of marriage, partnership, and white divinities like Orshun, Orbatala, and Yemaja. Each Igbo is more than an object. It is a living messenger, carrying divine energy between heaven and earth. When properly used, it allows us to ask the universe the most important question. What does Ifá say about my path? As Ifá teaches, when Ifá speaks, we listen. When Ifá commands, we obey. May we never ignore the sacred voice of Orunmila. May our Igbo always reveal truth, peace, and clarity. If you found this teaching insightful, like, share, and subscribe to learn more about the wisdom of Ifá, Yoruba spirituality, and destiny alignment.